Thank you, Dr. Correct. My name is Angie and I'm going to present lecture part 1C, problem 1. So here are the data code, and these are the message displayed to the user, and they are stored in the byte array. And here we put 0 because we need to now terminate the string to let the function where the string ends. And here are the variables that store the value. So for this part, we use offset to get the address 1 0, and we store it in the EDS, and then we call function write string to print out the message here, and then we use call CRLF to insert a new line or enter to the next line. So it is to ensure that the output will be same with the sample output. So, and for this part, we also get the address of the prod point and then save it into the EDS, and then we just print out the message, and then we call read that. It will get the decimal input from the user, and then we will move the input will be stored in the EDS, and then we will move the value in the EDS into this side as one. The prod one is input as a one system. So from this part is also same with this part, and this part is a loop to count the parameter of hexagon. And first we need to initialize the counter as 6. So we move 6 into the ECS, and then we also need other to register to calculate it. So we move the memory address of the site as hexagon 1 into the EAS, and then we initialize the EBS as 0. Then we keep adding the site on hexagon 1 into the EBS until the ECS becomes 0. This line means that the ECS will decrement by 1, and then it will stop until the ECS becomes 0. So after that, we move the value in the EBS into this parameter hexagon 1 to be stored. So same as this part for hexagon 2. And then we just store the value into the EAS, and then we add the value of the parameter of hexagon 2 into EAS, and then we store the EAS value into the total parameter. This part is to calculate the total parameter. So now we need to display the message again. The message is the result of parameter hexagon 1 and 2. So it will show the it will show by using string function, and then we will show the parameter of hexagon 1 using this write that function, and also parameter of hexagon 2. And then we will display the message total parameter hexagon 1 and 2. And then we will also show the final result. So now I'm going to present lecture part 1C problem 2. So these are the data segment, and this line, and this line are the message. They are the string that need to show to the user, and they are stored in a byte array, and also the string has been now terminated to let the function know where the string ends. And this is the array that used to store the 6 D-word variable, and each are initialized as 0 first. And these are the variable that store the D-word data. And because we don't know the result yet, so we just mark it as unknown. So these are the code segment. So at first we kill screen and display the initial message. So we load the address of message into the EDS by using this offset. And then we call write string to show the message. Then we call CRLF to enter the next line. The message is calculate some index in array. So now we're going to build an input loop. So first, we initialize the counter as 6 because there are 6 elements going to be stored in the array, and the EBS as 0. The EBS will be used to index in the array. So at first, we also need to display the string to let the user know they need to type in the data. And then we use read that to get the decimal input from the user, and this decimal input will be stored in the EAS. And then we, because 1 D-word is equal to 4 bytes, so we will add the 4 into the EBS. So it is to store the next D-word. And the loop here, it will decrement the ECS, so that the loop will be stopped when the ECS becomes 0. So, and then now we're going to build the sum even loop that is used to calculate the sum of the even index element. So first, we initialize the ECS as 3, EBS as 0, EAS as 0. So EAS is used to store the result, and EBS as index. So we just move the even index element into EAS. So the EBS is initialized at byte 8 because we need to get the next even index. So one keyword is equal to 4 bytes, so it need to move to the next position, so it need to add back. So the loop here, it will decrement the ECS, and the loop will be stored until the ECS becomes 0. And then we move the value in EAS into the sum event here. And now we need to calculate the sum of the index element. It will, and then also now we need to build a sum of loop to calculate the index element. So at first we initialize the counter as 3. So we initialize the EBS as 4 because we need to start from the second keyword. So then the EAS is used to store the result. And first we initialize it as 0. So first we move the second keyword into the EAS, and then we move the next into the EBS, into the EAS also. And they will be adding into the EAS. So, and the loop here, it will decrement ECS, and the loop will stop until the ECS becomes 0. And then we store the result into this variable sample. So now we need to output the result, show the output result. So at first we display this message string result hello. So this result sum hello. And then we display this message to the string result event. And then we move the result of sum of the event index element into ES, and we correct it to sort the sum to sort the result, and same also for the index element and the input. And now I'm going to sort the result. That's all. Thank you.
And now I am presenting the lab 3 of the program 2. Okay, for this one are the data of our main menu. We have the welcome message, menu message, option manage, tune to manage, continue message, and also exit and select message. And all of these are stored in the byte. And as you can see, the 0DH mean that the cartridge return, which is a mode the closer to the start of the line. And the 0AH mean that move closer to the next line. And the 0 is a non-terminator which mark the end of the string. Okay, let me go down. And this is the code of our main program. Okay, we call the cursor first. It means that we clear the console and locate the cursor at the upper left corner. Then we go into the main menu program. Remove the welcome message and write it out. And call CRLF is mean end line. And we also call all the thing, all the right string. And after we call the select message, you say, you read the character. Okay. If the character is 1, you jump to the this program very hex loop add. If it is 2, you jump to the call sum or even. Or else you jump to the exit program. Okay, these two programs are already presented. It's the part 1. Okay, only that all of the program will jump to the continue program after the program is end. And for the continue program, you move the continue message into the EDX and we will call out. After that, you read the character and show and also the next line, show input of the next line. If it is Y, you go jump. If you compare this one value with the Y factor. If JE is jump if equal, you go to the main menu. If N, you as program. If not Y or N, the input is invalid, you repeat the program. Continue jumping the continue program until the Y or N is added. Okay, if exit program, you move the exit message to EAX and you write and print out an end line, and here's the program. Okay, now I'm showing how to use the program. Okay, you show the main menu. Go to 1, you cut all this one, and you choose press Y or N. If I go G, A, B, you keep going. If yes, you continue. The second one, also the same. If I press the no, it will be thank you, bye. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.